Talk about cool. This is a great device. It's super compact. This is the most compact metal detector I've ever seen. It's the PewDiePie LCD display, fully waterproof pinpoint metal detector, and it's got 360-degree search. I want to show you how cool this is, how it all works. First of all, it does come with two 9-volt batteries. I already installed one of them. It only needs one, so you've got a second one already. In addition, you've got the storage space for it. Basically, you can just put it down in the holster right there, and then you can actually put this around your belt loop, so it can actually be on you, and you can just pull it out when you need it. Sorry, it's already on. Let me shut that off for a moment. All right, so that's very cool. This can just be on a belt loop, and you can just have it, quick action, just pull it out and start using it to find things. Now, here's the size of it, dude. It's very cool. It also has a light here on the front. I'll turn that on in a second. I'll turn it on in a second so you can see how it works. But this thing's very cool, and I've got something metal right here on the desk so you can see how it works. First of all, there's 3 modes. The first mode is sound mode. The second mode is vibrate mode. And the third mode is sound and vibrate mode. So any of those is going to work. Fully waterproof. You could literally go diving with this thing if you wanted to. That's what makes this more versatile. Also, if you're in a beach area, metal detectors, you can't put those in the water. This you can. You could actually be in a beach area and actually go out into the water just by the beach. Because people search on the beach, but they don't search in the water. Now you can take this in the water with you and actually try it. So I think that's an added benefit. All we do, hold on this button there, and it powers on. And let me see. All right, so right now I've got it on. Let's see. I just want to get on sound. Okay, so it's on sound mode. All right, so we've got our metal right here, and you can hear as I get closer. So this is very accurate, and you can kind of hear the closer you get, the more it's letting you know, like, it's right there. The further away you are, the slower the beeps are. You can also see here on the screen itself, there's actually, like, as you get closer to the metal. So there's 2 effects that kind of show that, right? Hit it again. Then we're in vibrate mode. I don't know if you can hear it, but this is where you don't even hear anything. You just feel that vibration in the device. And then the other mode, now I'm feeling the vibration and you're hearing the beep. So pinpoint accuracy, this is a great little unit. You can also see the light in the front. Kind of gives you something to see. If you're in a dark area or something like that. Turned it off. Super cool unit. You got the holster. Dude, why would you not get this? Get it.